Making a fluffy cake from scratch can be intimidating, especially if you're new to baking. The biggest misconceptions is that you need an electric beater to get that perfect fluffiness. But I'm here to show you that you can achieve amazing results with just a few simple tools. It can be frustrating if cakes turn out more like bricks than fluffy clouds. But don't worry, I'm here to share some tips and tricks to help you overcome these challenges. To demonstrate the mixing process, I'll be using a whisk and a rubber spatula. As I am just mixing the ingredients together, you can see how the batter comes together. The batter is smooth, creamy, and utterly delicious. And the best part is, you can achieve the same results without any electric tools. Are you ready to give this recipe a try? I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to share your creations. If you're looking for more baking inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. Happy baking!